Hello, my name is Emma, and I want to tell you about my daily routine. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. When I wake up, I turn off my alarm and get out of bed. First, I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then, I drink a glass of water because it helps me feel awake. After that, I make breakfast. I usually eat bread with butter and jam or cereal with milk. Sometimes I eat an egg and some fruit. I always drink a cup of tea or orange juice. I like to have a big breakfast because it gives me energy for the day. At 8 a.m., I take a shower and get dressed. I usually wear jeans and a t-shirt, but if I have an important day, I wear something nicer. After I get dressed, I check my bag to make sure I have everything I need. Then, I leave my house at 8:30 a.m. I go to work by bus. The bus ride takes about 30 minutes. On the bus, I sometimes listen to music or read a book. I arrive at work at 9 a.m. At work, I start by checking my emails. Then I talk to my colleagues and start my tasks. I usually work on my computer for 4 hours. At 12:30 p.m., I take a lunch break. For lunch, I usually eat a sandwich or a salad. Sometimes I eat lunch with my friends at a cafe. After lunch, I continue working until 5 p.m. In the afternoon, I sometimes feel a little tired, so I drink a cup of coffee to help me stay awake. At 5 p.m., I finish work and go home. I usually walk to the bus stop and then take the bus home. When I get home, I change my clothes and relax for a while. Sometimes I watch TV, and other times I read a book or talk to my family. At around 7 p.m., I make dinner. I like to cook simple meals like pasta, chicken, or rice with vegetables. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and wash the dishes. In the evening, I usually watch a TV show or call a friend. Sometimes I go for a walk if the weather is nice. Before bed, I like to drink tea and read a few pages of a book. At 10 p.m., I brush my teeth and wash my face again. Then, I go to bed. Before I sleep, I sometimes think about my day and plan for tomorrow. I usually fall asleep quickly because I feel tired after a long day. This is my daily routine. It is simple, but it keeps me happy and organized. Thank you for listening.